Many car owners have no idea that certain common driving habits can slowly but surely destroy their cars. These mistakes accumulate until the result is an expensive repair job or even total vehicle failure. Below are the most frequent errors people make that can kill their cars. Find out if you're guilty of any of them. Why it matters: engine oil lubricates key components. Over time, it breaks down and harmful deposits build up. Simply topping off the oil instead of replacing it is a mistake. Old oil becomes contaminated with combustion byproducts, so a regular, full oil change is essential. How to avoid it? Follow the oil change interval recommended by the manufacturer. Check your oil level frequently. Remember to monitor your coolant, antifreeze, which also degrades over time and contains anti-corrosion additives. The consequence is underinflation causes excess heat buildup in the tyre and reduces fuel efficiency, while overinflation leads to poor road grip and uneven tread wear. Poorly inflated tyres affect handling and braking, putting your safety at risk. How to avoid it? Check tyre pressure regularly, especially before long trips. Always use the pressure values specified by the manufacturer. Common mistake: turbochargers spin at extremely high speeds from 100 to 200,000 RPM or more and get very hot. Turning off the engine immediately after aggressive driving cuts off the oil supply, causing the turbo to cook without proper lubrication. Best practice: after spirited or high-speed driving, let the engine idle for a minute or two so the turbo can cool. Use high-quality synthetic oil with better heat resistance. Why it's harmful. A cold engine runs on a richer fuel mixture, producing harmful deposits and acids that can damage internal components. Oil needs time to circulate and properly lubricate the moving parts. What to do? Let the engine idle for a few seconds after starting. Drive gently until it warms up, keeping engine revs moderate. The risk? On short trips, the engine rarely reaches optimal operating temperature. This increases engine wear, and the catalytic converter also never warms up enough to function efficiently. Ideal approach: walk if your destination is a mile or less away. If possible, combine several short errands into a single, longer trip to let the engine heat up thoroughly. What happens? The red line indicates the maximum safe RPM. Pushing the engine to these limits regularly puts enormous stress on parts. As mileage increases, these components become weaker and more prone to failure. Better habits: use the mid-range of the RPM band where the engine is most efficient. Avoid high revs altogether until the engine has reached normal operating temperature. Why it's a problem: shifting into a lower gear to brake abruptly places unnecessary stress on the engine, flywheel and transmission. That's exactly what your brake system is designed for, slowing the car efficiently and cost-effectively. What to do instead? Use your brakes to reduce speed first, then downshift once you're already slowing. Avoid forcing gears into place. Each crunch is a bit of your transmission's life gone. Consequences: even slight pressure on the pedal prevents the clutch plates from fully engaging, causing faster wear. Keeping the clutch depressed at stoplights or in traffic also overloads the release bearing, leading to premature failure. Proper technique: shift to neutral when stopping at lights or in traffic. Fully release the clutch pedal after shifting to avoid constant partial contact. Why it's an issue. High RPM in a low gear or low RPM in a high gear both strain the engine and transmission. The engine complains with excessive noise or shuddering, signaling that the chosen gear is incorrect. Best approach: listen to the engine. If it's screaming, shift up. If it's groaning or struggling, shift down. Let the clutch out gently to sense whether you're in the right gear. The fallout. Sediment at the bottom of the tank can clog your fuel system. The fuel pump relies on the fuel itself for cooling. When the tank is nearly empty, the pump may overheat and wear out sooner. Preventive measures: keep the fuel level at least at a quarter of a tank. Check levels before each trip, especially if you're going far. Be mindful of ethanol content if you drive an older engine, as high ethanol fuels can accelerate wear. Why it matters: dirt, grime and moisture trapped against the car's surface create prime conditions for rust. Without regular cleaning and a protective wax layer, the metal is exposed and more prone to corrosion. How to protect your car: wash it at least monthly. Apply wax, not just polish, afterward to shield the paintwork. Taking proper care of your vehicle and adopting good driving habits can greatly extend its life and save you significant repair costs. As you can see, killing a car is surprisingly easy if you ignore routine maintenance and sensible driving practices. However, by following these simple tips, you can ensure fewer headaches and more enjoyment behind the wheel. Think about how many of these mistakes you might be making. If you have any doubts or want to learn more, reach out to fellow car enthusiasts. Sharing experiences and insights is one of the best ways to uncover hidden pitfalls and keep your car running smoothly for years to come.